Tom, is that your dog in the photo?
Yes, that's Max, my dog.
Oh, he's so cute. What kind of dog is he?
He's a golden retriever. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
That's lovely. You know what?
What?
This is perfect for today's topic.
Really?
Yes, today we're talking about pets and animals.
Everyone loves animals.
Let's teach everyone how to talk about pets and animals.
Let's start.
Lucy, tell me about your cat Luna.
Luna is beautiful. She's black and white.
Black and white. What else?
She's very soft and furry.
Soft and furry. Is she friendly?
Yes, she's very friendly and she's quite small.
What does she like to do?
She loves to sleep and play, and she purrs when she's happy.
Cats purr. That's such a nice sound.
What about your dog Max?
Max is a big dog. He's golden brown.
Golden brown, beautiful colour.
Yes, he has long, soft fur.
Is he friendly too?
Very friendly. He loves everyone.
What does Max like to do?
He loves to run and play. Every morning, I walk him in the park.
Walking the dog is important.
Yes, dogs need exercise and fresh air.
Let's talk about different pets. What pets can people have?
Well, the most common pets are dogs and cats.
Yes, many people have dogs or cats.
Some people have fish. Fish are easy to care for.
Fish swim in a tank or bowl.
Some people have birds. Birds can sing.
Oh, I love when birds sing. What about rabbits?
Rabbits are wonderful pets. They're soft and cute.
And hamsters?
Yes, hamsters are small and furry.
Some people have guinea pigs too.
Guinea pigs are adorable.
But not everyone has a pet.
That's true. Some people don't have pets, and that's completely fine.
Maybe they live in a flat that doesn't allow pets.
Or maybe they travel a lot.
Or maybe they're allergic to animals.
There are many reasons, and all reasons are valid.
Exactly. Now, do you have a pet? That's the question.
Do you have a pet?
I have a cat.
What's your pet's name?
My cat's name is Luna.
Perfect. Let me tell you about my student Amara.
Tell me.
Amara is from Kenya. She moved to a new neighborhood.
A new place.
Yes. And her English-speaking neighbors loved her dog.
Oh, that's nice.
They always asked, "What's your dog's name? What kind of dog is she?"
Important questions.
At first, Amara was shy about speaking English.
What did you do?
I taught her to describe her dog.
Does she feel confident now?
Yes. Now she says, "This is Bella. She's a brown dog. She's very friendly and playful."
Excellent description.
Her neighbors loved talking to her about Bella. It helped her make friends.
Animals help us connect with people.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about what animals do.
Good idea. What do dogs do?
Dogs run. They run very fast.
They also jump and play.
What do cats do?
Cats jump too. They can climb trees.
Cats are very good at climbing.
What about fish?
Fish swim. That's what they do best.
And birds?
Birds fly. They fly in the sky.
These are all actions animals do.
Now let's talk about animal sounds. This is fun.
I love this part. What sound do dogs make?
Dogs bark. Woof, woof.
Woof, woof. What about cats?
Cats meow, meow, meow.
Meow. So cute.
My student Yuki loved learning animal sounds.
Tell me about Yuki.
Yuki is from Japan. She visited a zoo for the first time in an English-speaking country.
How exciting.
She wanted to read all the signs and talk about the animals.
That's wonderful.
I taught her animal names before her visit.
Which animals?
Elephant, giraffe, lion, monkey, and penguin.
All the popular zoo animals.
After the zoo, she was so excited.
What did she say?
She said, "Tom, I saw a huge elephant. The giraffes were so tall. The penguins were so cute."
She used all her new vocabulary.
She was so happy to use English at the zoo.
That's brilliant. Let's describe some wild animals.
Great idea. Lions are big and strong.
Lions are dangerous too, but beautiful.
Elephants are huge. They're the biggest land animals.
Elephants are very intelligent.
Giraffes are tall. They have long necks.
Monkeys are funny. They jump and climb.
Bears are big and strong.
Some bears are brown, some are black, some are white.
Penguins are so cute. They can swim, but they can't fly.
I love penguins.
Now let's talk about farm animals.
Yes, what animals live on a farm?
Cows live on farms. Cows are big. They give us milk.
Milk comes from cows.
Pigs live on farms too.
What sound do pigs make?
Pigs oink, oink, oink.
Ha! What about sheep?
Sheep say ba, ba, ba.
Sheep give us wool for clothes.
Chickens live on farms.
Chickens give us eggs.
And horses. Some farms have horses.
Horses are beautiful and strong.
My friend Carlos knows all about farm animals.
Tell me about Carlos.
Carlos is from Mexico. His family has a small farm.
A real farm.
Yes! He wanted to describe his farm to his English-speaking friends.
What did you teach him?
I taught him farm animal vocabulary.
Does he use it now?
All the time. Now he says, we have cows for milk. We have chickens for eggs. We have pigs and sheep too.
Perfect.
His friends ask so many questions about farm life.
And he can answer everything in English.
Exactly. Now, Lucy, what's your favorite animal?
Oh, that's a hard question. I love cats, of course.
Because you have a cat.
Yes, but I also love elephants. They're so intelligent and beautiful.
Elephants are amazing. What's your favorite wild animal?
I think elephants. What about you?
I love dogs, obviously, but I also think lions are incredible.
Lions are the kings of the jungle.
So powerful and beautiful.
Everyone has a favorite animal.
What's your favorite animal? Think about it.
Do you like big animals or small animals?
Do you like pets or wild animals?
There are so many wonderful animals.
Dogs, cats, elephants, lions, penguins.
Birds, fish, rabbits, hamsters.
Cows, pigs, sheep, chickens.
Animals are everywhere.
And now you can talk about them in English.
You can describe your pet.
You can talk about your favorite animals.
You can visit a zoo and understand everything.
Animals bring us so much joy. Now, let's review some important phrases.
Great.
Do you have a pet?
Do you have a pet?
I have a dog.
I have a dog.
I don't have a pet.
I don't have a pet.
What's your pet's name?
What's your pet's name?
My dog's name is Max.
My dog's name is Max.
My cat is black and white.
My cat is black and white.
She's very cute and friendly.
She's very cute and friendly.
Dogs bark. Cats meow.
Dogs bark, cats meow.
Lions are big and strong.
Lions are big and strong.
Rabbits are small and soft.
Rabbits are small and soft.
What's your favorite animal?
What's your favorite animal?
I love dogs.
I love dogs.
Animals are wonderful.
Animals are wonderful. Great job today.
Now you can talk about animals.
Describe your pets in English.
Share your favorite animals.
Animals bring us so much joy.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.
Take care of your pets, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Pronounce faster.